can be modeled by total cost equals to 17,520 plus 65x, where x represents the number of items sold. Okay, a formula for the company's total income is modeled by total revenue equals 105 times x, where x represents the number of items sold. Okay, the company will break even, which we know, when the total costs and the total income are equal. All right, so how many items must this company sell to break even? Okay, so that question is copied over here, and we will have a look at it now. All right, so total cost is this formula right here, 17,520. Okay, so we can put it in here, 17,520 plus 65x. All right. Okay. So the total revenue now is also given as 105 times x, right? Total revenue 105 times x. So let's put that in here, 105 times x. All right. So if we look at these numbers and this formula above here, this S must be equal to this 105, S being the selling price. So S would be 105. All right, okay. Now, this formula here with the total cost, it's fixed cost plus variable cost per item times X. All right, so then the fixed cost must be this 17520. So let's put that in here, 17520. And the variable cost must be this number right here, this 65. Okay, so let's put that in there. And we put it, so that would be the variable cost, 65. Okay, so we have the information to use the calculator. Okay, the fixed cost, let's maybe put the numbers in. The fixed cost is 17520. Okay, this is right up here, fixed cost. So that's the number I'm putting right in here. Okay, if you wish, you could highlight it or maybe use a different color. Yes, okay. All right, variable cost is which one? It's right here. This is the 65 that we will put down here. We're just preparing the data for the calculator. So that would be the variable cost. Okay, so we can highlight that. P is the selling price. In the information given, we use S, all right, for selling price, whereas the calculator, you will see the symbol P. So but it all indicates the selling price. The selling price is 105. All right, so with that information and knowing that it's a break even, the profit is 0, we can calculate the quantity at break even. All right, so let's go. So we follow the instructions, second 6, that is what will get us into the break even mode. So second 6, and fixed cost is 17520, 17520, and we enter it. Okay, the next one is the variable cost, which is this 65 right here. So 65, enter. All right, the P is the selling price, which is 105, enter. Okay, the profit is 0 because it's break even. And the quantity we will compute. So we compute that number and the number is 438. Okay, 438. And that is indeed the answer. The number of items that must be sold to break even. So the answer, if we wish, we could put it up here, 438, and then we could highlight it also in green, and then we go back to the question and we put the answer in and we will submit it. Submission is made and it is correct. And with that, we can stop the recording now.